Alright, today we'll be going over my final project for the cis106. Um, so I based it off of Goosebumps, the horror book. I just remember reading them as a kid, and it sounded like a good idea to base project stuff. So it asks you to give your name, strength, uh, as a max bench, and speed as a 40-yard dash time. So we can go in and put this in. I'll put in 6. Now we can go to the door on the left. So if you enter the room on the left, greeted by a terrifying zombie. That's leaving the room. We'll just take you back to the index, and you can run past the next door. Reader, you escaped and ran through a random door. Leaves outside, you escape at last, and you also escaped with one item book, which you got for collecting. Um, you got for entering the room. Now, you can enter the door on the right. So as you enter the room, you suddenly become trapped under a fallen bookshelf. You can lift the fallen bookshelf to lift and leave the room, and lifting it and leave the room. Well, it'll just take you back to the index. So you can lift the fallen bookshelf. You escaped and ran through a random door. At least outside, at least you're safe. You also escape with 2 items, the book and shelves. Now, let's set some unrealistic, slow 40-yard dash time. We'll get 10 seconds. Um, so, enter the door on the left. Up, you enter the room, only be chased down by a horde of zombies. You can click up to the zombies. You were killed. So, yeah. Now, let's select the door on the right again. Select the winning option. This reader, you escaped and ran through a random door. Leave outside, you escape at last. You also escape with 5 items. Um, you get one of these every time you enter one of the rooms, and then a token of the dead when you die. And after getting a book, a chalice, and a token of the dead, the code will check if you have all three, and then after the code checks that you have all three, it displays a good job in finding all the lost treasures too. Now we can also we can implement put in zeros for everything. We can select the door to your left, and let's say make sure you fill out a realistic 40-yard dash time. Leave the room, and I'll select the door to your right. So you can't be that weak. Make sure to fill out a wait for your bench. Leave the room again. Also for the 40-yard dash time, since about 4 seconds is about the world record. If you put in something lower than that, um, we'll also say make sure to fill out a realistic 40-yard dash time because 3 seconds is not realistic. So, um, yeah, that, yeah, I think that about sums it up. I guess for the data class, have loot, which is a list of strings, name, which is just a string, and strength, which is an integer, and speed is also an integer. So, I think that about sums it all up. Um, yeah, that's it.